McKinney. Let's give it a big round of applause.
Last but not the least, let's welcome candidate number 8, Baby Marguerite P. Caliguri Raj. Phoebe is a 12-year-old girl and has hobbies such as vlogging, dancing, singing, modeling, acting, school activity involved. Fun facts about her is that she was a cast in a short film that was listed in a film festival entry and met a lot of artists that are from ABS-CBN. Her futuristic attire is a futuristic style clothing. It's characterized by innovative design, high-tech material, and bold aesthetics that envision a future aesthetic. This style often featured geometric shapes, metallic finishes, and functional elements, blending fashion with technology. Let's give it up for candidate number 8, Baby Marguerite P. Caliguri Raj. Palapan din naman natin ating board of judges for their exquisite mind and intellect and kung paano nila i-judge or in a way with the following criteria kung paano nila ginudge yung mga contestant. Sige po! The results are ready na po ba? For those na alis na po, ingat po kayo pag-uwi. Medyo maulalo natin ngayon. And for those na nandito pa, thank you po. Sid na 245. Dito mo tayo nag-post ng kanilang portraits individually. At kung sino po yung pinakamaraming likes and as well as nakafollow din, doon kami nag-base ng winner for People's Choice Awards. And to those po, for transparency, we did this kind of movement or gesture na hinihingi namin yung follow muna and then yung like. So, mabibilang lang po dito only to those accounts that are followed. And it's also like, yun na po ang mabibilang sa atin. So, yun. For a male muna tayo. Now, for the female category, our People's Choice Awards or the Miss Popularity is none other than candidate number... If you again, candidate number 8! Okay. And for your kapartner naman dyan, our best in uniform attire is you for a female category, candidate number... Candidate number 8! It's you again and again. Congratulations. First, to be the top 3 candidate number... Candidate number 4! Congratulations po, candidate number 4. Andito na po. Congratulations. The next, ang mga kasama for the top 3 is none other than candidate number... Candidate number 5! At iyong kasunod. Congratulations. Isa na lang. To complete our top 3 for the female category, you are in candidate number... Sino sa tingin nyo? You're in candidate number 8! Congratulations. Palapakan natin. So difficult. In what way or ways can you encourage the youth to pursue learning mathematics? Again, young generations find math so difficult. In what way or ways can you encourage the youth to pursue learning mathematics? Your timer starts now.
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe that I can encourage the youth to pursue learning mathematics by using a real-world situation. Example, that everything we use in our daily lives requires math to build it, like groceries,